You post something worth debating. They skip the argument entirely. They answer with what you are instead. Your gender, your age, your job title. As if that settles the point. The sting is not being wrong. It is not being heard at all. A Stoic teacher knew this feeling. Musonius Rufus taught philosophy in Rome. He opened his lectures to women. The city mocked him for it. He answered with one plain claim. Reason was never handed out by gender. Virtue was never handed out by birth. It is built the same way, by anyone willing to begin. His students were not who Rome expected. Now open that reply again. The one about your gender, your age. It never answered your argument. It only proved they had none. You do not need their permission. The right to think is yours. Your voice was never theirs to grant. Let the insult go. Keep the argument. Tomorrow, another idea worth defending.